Hi there, my name is Olabi Tango from O3 Schools, and I make going to school easy for you. On this video, I'm going to let you know how you can prepare and blast JAMB within a month or less. If you already have an idea as to when the JAMB form will be on sale for this year, then you may be watching this video before or after the registration is on. Nonetheless, our focus here today is to guide you on how you can prepare for the UTME in order to score high, at least 280 plus, which is certain to guarantee you admission to your desired university in this year's admission process. I've been in this business for 7 years plus, and these tips and ideas have been 100% proven to work. If you have not been preparing or have been preparing wrongly, you should take this point very seriously. If you are new on this channel, the first thing you should do is click on the red subscribe button just below this video for free, and click on the notification pin so that you'll be sent a notification whenever we release any academic content like this. Now, let's head over to why we are here. The first thing you should do is get your JAMB recommended CBT practice app or past question for practice. This had to come first because over the years we have had outstanding results from several of our app users with admission to show for it. The O3 Schools JAMB app has all the past questions with a simulated CBT environment, just like you will see in the real JAMB exam dates. You can practice by downloading it on your phone or download it on laptop. Using this app will make you understand how JAMB CBT works and give you a competitive edge over other aspirants for this year. The first thing you should do right now is to download the app by heading to Play Store and searching for O3 Schools JAMB app. Watch this 2-minute video to see how the application works. Hi there, my name is Olabi Tango from O3 Schools. We have been directly involved in getting thousands of students into various tertiary institutions in Nigeria over the past 7 years. The proofs are what you are seeing right now on the screen. As such, you will be able to study how JAMB works and all you need to do to get into school. Our app is designed to enable you to practice your way into your dream school with at least a score of 300. O3 Schools JAMB CBT app is the best learning app to score 300 plus. The app features over 19,000 JAMB pass and likely questions offline. JAMB recommended novel, The Life Changer, UTME challenge where you can compete with other JAMBites all over Nigeria to win prizes before the main exam. All literature textbooks, career guide, school finder, dictionary, educational games, etc. The app is available for Android phones, laptops, and desktops. Reasons to get this app: it does not expire. The app continues to work provided you do not misplace your device or flash it. 2. No subscription fee. That is, once you activate the app, it stays forever activated for all subjects. Number 3. Practice by topics and practice many subjects at once. Number 4. Voice features where you can listen to questions and their explanations. Number 5. Built-in calculator and several interesting user experience features. How to download this app? Head to Play Store and search for O3 Schools JAMB to download the latest version of this app. Install and that's all. How do you activate this app? To enjoy the full features of this app, simply click on Activate at the top menu. Go to Buy Activation Key. You can then pay with your ATM card online or pay via transfer or POS, Pega and OPay. After payment, send screenshot of receipt or debit to our support number on 09121515246 on WhatsApp. See you at the top. Welcome back. Number 2. Attend the JAMB Tutorial Center. A lot of students have left school for some time, say 1 or 2 years, and have lost what it means to stay in class, to learn and compete, to answer teachers' questions or do assignments and all other activities that bring the best out of students. When I was preparing for my JAMB far back in 2014, this helped me a lot as I have left school for 3 years before taking the JAMB exam. It joggled my memory and brought back the seriousness I needed. This has been one of the proven methods to prepare for and pass JAMB or any other exam for that matter. Since a majority of UTME applicants are already out of secondary schools, you will need to return to a physical classroom for learning. Around the country are reputable lessons, especially to prepare candidates for UTME. Hence, look for one within or outside your city. Attend and take the classes very seriously. However, if you are a candidate for pre-degree, IJMB, JUPEB, or any other advanced courses in any university or center, you may not need another lesson. You are already under intensive academic care by your school or the study center. Generally, all you will learn there will get you ready for UTME. Before we move to the next point, I'll give you an advice. If you are attending a tutorial center, you must be focused. Several students miss the point of attending these classes and start chasing girls, or the girls start catching feelings unnecessarily like dolphins. Be very focused. Know what you want and chase what took you there with passion. Number 3, study JAMB UTME packs. JAMB usually repeats questions from previous exams. This is why you have to study by heart. You won't be surprised to see some questions you have already covered when you are sitting right in front of your computer screen. The O3 School JAMB app, like I have earlier hinted, is a sure app for you to practice these past questions, just like the way JAMB sets it. You will need a collection of past questions series for your 4 UTME subjects, which will cost you 4,000 Naira in total. But the JAMB app activation costs just 2,500 and has past questions for all subjects, literature novels and JAMB novel to be used for this year. A word is enough for the wise. Number 4, train for CBT exams to gain familiarity with computers. It's no longer news that JAMB UTME is computer based, or is it? Definitely not. However, not all candidates are used to computer-based tests. So how do you go around this? It's easier to believe that if you have knowledge of computers, you already can do CBT. Yes, that is true. But you still need to familiarize yourself with the real UTME CBT environment. If you already know how to handle mouse and laptop touchpad, you are free from learning to do that now. If, however, you don't know how to get yourself around the screen with your desktop mouse and its laptop counterpart, you still need to learn how to use those exam weapons. Meanwhile, computer-based tests CBT is more than the ability to use a mouse and a touchpad. Yes, it's more. You have to study with real exam software and work within the stipulated time. This is more important. Download the O3 School JAMB CBT software with the link in the description for phones and laptops now to avail yourself the opportunity. Number 5, use JAMB mock exams. JAMB has really taken a step further in order to prepare you for the real UTME. They now include the option to sit for mock before the main UTME exam. This option is, however, voluntary. You don't have to write mock if you already know how to use a computer to write exams or you are already familiar with the CBT environment. But if you don't, you need to try this out. During your UTME registration, the CBT Center will ask if you are interested in writing mock. Then your answer should be yes. You have to pay for this service also. In other words, you may need to pay 700 Naira separately for the mock examination. JAMB will schedule you for mock before the main UTME. Then you should see your score too. This will let you know where to improve yourself also. JAMB mock exam doesn't add or deduct any mark to or from your real UTME score. It only prepares you for the task ahead. Number 6. Group discussions takes you far ahead of others. Look for about 3 or 4 friends who are writing the same papers as you. You can get them within your lesson room or outside. Just make sure you are writing the same subject to have equal experience and feelings. Select some key points within your subject and divide it among yourselves. You will read the same topics and pick a day to come together and discuss it. On the day of the discussion, you can be tossing questions to one another. See if you can answer all their questions and if they can answer yours also. During this, you may need to explain why you think your answers are more correct and, if need be, give references from the books you have read. If you realize you are missing out somewhere, you should go back home and study again and continue till you have finished all the topics. Number 7. Study JAMB brochure from the start to avoid errors. If you have written JAMB before, but you had some bad experiences due to the wrong subject combination or so, I may not need to tell you the importance of studying JAMB brochure again. If, however, you are a newbie, you need this more than anything already mentioned. You see, experience has shown that with the highest marks in UTME and a wrong subject combination in UTME or SSCE, you can still be at home this year while your friend with a lower mark is sending you his selfies from a campus. That will not be your portion in Jesus' name. You will save yourself some pain if you can take a moment to study the JAMB brochure before registering for UTME or direct entry. You are highly advised to take this guide seriously. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel as well as share this content so others can see it. My name has not changed and my name will never change. I remain my humble self, Owolabi Thank God. See you next time.